Well, now you found us. I'm GhondlePop, and this here's Doris Mossbottom. Come along then, we'll show you around. And here she is, the crooked cabin.
We've been keeping an eye on this place from the very beginning. We live just down by the spring, in an old hollow stump.
But we keep an eye on things up here.
There's a little bit of magic tucked into every crooked corner. That's GhondlePop's fiddle, and a few pictures of our ancestors.
And when the day's done, there's a cozy little corner to lay your head.
And it's very quiet, too. And if you're feeling a wee bit adventurous, up the ladder we go.
It's a cozy little hideaway up here, if I may say myself. And here's your bathroom.
Even woodland folk appreciate a hot shower. Come along, the best part's out back. Oh my, here we are. This is my favorite spot.
It's hard to beat a place tucked between two creeks.
We don't fuss much with the garden. We let the woods decide what belongs.
Come along then. There's more to see. Ah, now this is more like it.
Forest full of magic, and I married the one who naps. Now this is a wee bit of magic.
I love this. I could get used to this.
I was afraid you'd say that. Well, that's our little tour.
Now all that's missing is you.
We'll be waiting.
Until then, stay a wee bit unplugged.